Let's go! Samahan nyo kami sa aming adventure.
Tapos naglagyan ko. Kaya mo. English dapat.
I'm putting some what do you call this? Pain, bait for the fish. So already caught one fish, and we put it in another hook, the bigger hook. So it will catch a bigger fish too. So come on, join us to our new episode. We have there our target fish. So we're gonna try to catch them. And we got one. Hey,
Agad?
that's it.
Ooh! Pwede mo.
Hey, that's it. That's what I'm telling you. Hey, that's it. That's what I'm telling you, okay? Bigger one.
Nakala mo lang, di ba?
That's the bigger one.
Ayan yung kanina.
No, this is a new one.
Wow.
So, kakalagay pa lang natin and we got already. Nagkabulwa lang yung ano natin. Nakuha rin ba video yun lahat? Yung kanina? Yung pagtapan ko?
Oo.
Okay. That's it.
Papat.
Sorry. Yung patay niya.
Buhay pa eh.
Yan. Bebe, yan pag hindi niya makalangon. Ba't kasama ako?
Hindi, yung kamay lang. Hindi kasi.
Ngayon, yung last na kinain.
Ha?
Yung last niya na kinain, alam mo yung ano?
Ano?
Yung natunog paggabi?
Ano pa kapag gabi?
Yung pag dito? Oh, yung ibon?
Hmm?
Hindi ah, tingnan mo. Yan ah. Gagangis kung tawagin.
Patayin? Wait lang.
Yan, nagkaganyan-ganyan.